Good day! Ngayong araw ay pag-aaralan natin kung ano nga ba ang ratio. So what is a ratio? It is a comparison of two or more quantities or numbers with the same unit. Same unit, remember? Same unit. Pwede itong i-denote as A to B, A over B, or A is to B. Magkaroon tayo ng example. There are 40 girls and 20 boys enrolled in the class of Mrs. Asaula. Find the ratio of boys to girls, B. Girls to boys, C. Boys to the total number of students, and girls to the total number of students. Una nating hanapin ang ratio ng boys to girls. So for our solution, let A equals boys and B equals girls. So una, pwede nating isulat na A to B. So ano ang ating A? Ang A natin ay boys, ilan? That is 20. Ang B natin ay girls, ilan? That is 40. So pwede na nating isulat as 20 to 40. Next, we can write it as A to B or A over B. So, ang A natin ay boys, 20. Ang girls naman natin ay 40. Then that is 20 over 40. But we need to simplify this one. Hanapin lamang ang GCF. And that is equal to 1/2. Next, A is to B. So, ang A natin ay ang numerator, which is the boys. Ang B naman natin ay yung denominator, kung saan sila ang girls. Then, we can write it as 1 is to 2. Therefore, ang ratio ng boys to girls ay 1 is to 2. Sumunod ay girls to boys. Palaging titingnan kung ano ba ang nauuna. So, kanina boys to girls, ngayon naman ay girls to boys. For our solution, let A naman natin ang girls and B ang boys. So, for number 1, we have A to B. Ang A natin ay girls, which is 40. Ang B naman natin ay boys, which is 20. So, meron tayong 40 to 20. For number 2, we have A over B. Ang A natin ay 40. Ang B naman natin ay 20. So, meron tayong 40 over 20. Isi-simplify lamang natin. 40 over 20, that is 2 over 1. Para masulat natin sa denotation na A is to B. So, ang A natin ay ang numerator. Ang B natin ay ang denominator. Therefore, we have 2 is to 1. Ang ratio ng girls to boys ay 2 is to 1. Sumunod naman ay boys to the total number of students. Para sa ating solution, let A be equal to boys and B be equal to total number of students. So, for number 1, we have A to B. Ang A natin ay boys, which is 20. Ang B naman natin ay total number of students. So, i-add lamang natin ang boys at ang bilang ng girls. So 40 plus 20, that is 60. Therefore, meron tayong 20 to 60. For number 2, we have A over B. So, ang A natin ay 20. Ang B natin ay 60. So, meron tayong 20 over 60. I-simplify muli. And that is 1/3. For number 3, A is to B. Ang A natin ay ang numerator. Ang B natin ay ang denominator. So, meron tayong 1:3. Therefore, ang ratio ng boys to the total number of students ay 1:3. Sumunod ay ang girls to the total number of students. So, let A is equal to girls and B to the total number of students. Number 1, A to B, we have A, number of girls, and B, number of students. So, meron tayong 40 girls and 20 boys, a total of 60 students. Therefore, A to B is equal to 40 to 60. Number 2, A over B. Ang A natin ay 40, which is the girls. Ang B naman natin ay 60, kung saan ito ay ang total number ng mga bata. Therefore, A over B is equal to 40 over 60. Need lamang nating isimplify ang 40 over 60 and that is equal to 2/3. For number 3, A is to B. Ang A naman natin ay numerator, ang girls, and ang B natin ay ang denominator o yung total number of students. And that is 2:3. Therefore, ang sagot natin na ratio ng girls to the total number of students ay 2:3. Ito na yung pinaka-simplified na answer. So, kung isusulat man natin yung 40 to 60, is-simplify pa rin natin kung ito ang gagamitin natin, and that is 2 to 3. Example number 2. There are 3 baskets on the table. The first basket contains 15 oranges. The second basket contains 20 mangoes. And the third basket contains 25 pears. Find the ratio of mangoes to pears and oranges to the total number of fruits. Una nating hanapin ang mangoes to pears. For our solution, let A be the number of mangoes and B the number of pears. So for number 1, we have A to B. Ang A natin ay mangoes, which is 20, and B ay pears, kung saan ito naman ay 25. So ang A to B natin ay 20 to 25. Again, isusulat pa ito, isi-simplify. For number 2, A over B. So, ang A natin ay 20. Ang B naman natin ay 25. So, mayroon tayong 20 over 25. I-simplify lamang. 20 over 25 is equal to 4 over 5. For number 3, A is to B. Ang A natin ay ang numerator. Ang B natin ay ang denominator. Ang A ay mangoes. Ang B ay pears. So, mayroon tayong 4:5. Itong 20 to 25 ay pwede mong isulat into 4 to 5. Therefore, ang ratio ng mango to pears ay 4:5. Next na ating hahanapin ay ratio ng oranges to the total number of fruits. For our solution, let A be the number of oranges. So that is 15. Ang B naman ay ang total number of fruits. So para makuha natin yung total number ng fruits, yung kabuuang bilang, i-add lamang natin yung 15 na orange, 20 na mangoes, and 25 na pears. So, lahat sila ay 60. So, for number 1, we have A to B. Ang A natin ay orange. Ang B natin ay fruits. So, mayroon tayong 15 to 60. So, number 2 naman, A over B. Ang 15 natin ang A. Ang 16 natin ang B. And we have 15 over 60, which is also equal to 1/4. For number 3, A is to B. Ang A natin ay numerator. Ang B natin ay denominator. So, mayroon tayong 1:4. Therefore, ang ratio ng oranges to the total number of fruits ay 1:4. Kung gusto niyong subukan ang inyong kakayahan, maaari ninyong sagutan ang activity na ito. Ang sagot sa activity ay makikita sa susunod na slide. Thank you for watching!